So everyone, and I mean everyone, was talking about the Red Bull culture clash. No one was left untouched by the DJs.
4 stages, 4 crews, but only one winner is the Red Bull culture clash.
That's how we are doing it in our culture, we are pushing it.
Eat for the culture, not eat for the eye.
People, them say them are doing for the culture. Them are grateful. We not all, we not share the culture.
I'm enjoying.
Them want me for clash with 3 idiots sound. Rhythm stream them for so we send them out. With them sliced up across the black shiny cloud. Strike what strike out, we are kill them for fun.
Who winning so far?
Ramesh kind of have it, because them a play the popular song, them so them a get whole heap of forward. But when it comes to the mixing, you don't know, say, Rhythm Stream have it.
So far, the biggest forward for the night are the tune we play, no? Yeah. Talk the God tune. Yeah. We love dancehall, we love soca, but at the end of the day, Ramesh should have dropped some dub, but bother blade. On a big argument on our use. You don't play none blood.
Rhythm stream them can't say.
Bring down my pit there. I can't fire no shot off fire. Fire links. I can't believe I hear what them sound them strike force. Do you know the difference between fire links and sparks? The two of them the bad.
Drop my next song every day. Them no like me, I'm in a like them.
Me one alone, I go call him whole out name. Scratch Master. Let me see your hands up in the air.
Great vibes so far, you know. People, anybody not there, you know, miss it. Full of excitement, full of fun, you know, been there.
We really not seen a winner yet, but the 4 of them are going good.
Hey, Spraga, you me dada, you a shot about your can't parry Jack Mackerel and Trevor half key. Richie feelings, dash too much water, I'm go out fire links. Creep should have named Chrome, cause we know him don't got no matic. Go show like the sex and the beat beam. Him should have beg doing a play theme. Ramesh Entertainment.
Talk about them know about clash culture.
Now hear some good song from Beat for the Culture. I'm not telling you, I enjoy them vibes. But one of the biggest sound from the night come from the soca sound. What is it?
When the people tell you they cannot
There's 3 teams who are opposing we.
Culture. The soca youth, them get a big forward. So right now, yo, I do it for the culture, I think sell off.
What do you think about the idea?
It's always a good initiative whenever corporate Jamaica or corporate foreign endorse anything that is Jamaican or reggae or dancehall.
Who a lead? Who a lead? Who a lead?
A Spraga them a lead. Yeah, man, Spraga lead. Yeah, man.
I demand this one, give me my name. I him tell me some name Spraga Benz, yeah?
The final round, who a lead?
Yo, I swear right now, do it for the culture lead. No like 2 rounds down.
Do it for the culture, Adam a lead.
And them a lead. And them know about artists.
Show me honor, all original,
Legends in the building, Wagwan fabulous.
Yeah, you know, like a war, all it, yeah.
Sure, man. What was the experience like for you tonight?
Yeah, well, good, you know, because I don't know all the stars I'm there and thing and...
It's about man to left them machine too far. We have
Yeah. Winning team take it tonight. What was the experience like for you guys?
Oh, yeah. Fantastic experience. We work with some real veterans in the business and we really show them a taste of the culture. Yes, so tonight name, watch how the dinosaur then deal with it.
Yeah. And we are the real dinosaur. When you don't see we're going on tour.
Scorpio, what was it like tonight?
Boy, it can't be better, you know. This is history, this is so much of a joy. I mean, big up to Salam Ready, because him tell me from him I come say Scorpio. We are going to win the trophy and your birthday gift that, you know.
And just like that, the 2019 Red Bull Culture Clash winners are Do It for the Culture. Congrats.